Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to save the data. So let's say your player or has around like whatever like 1,000 clicks. Let's give him 1,000 clicks, 100 clicks actually, and they have 100 clicks and they leave and it's all gone. And they're probably devastated and they're probably crying. Not crying, but they're probably sad. Then they have to work for their data all over again. So let's start by going to the play lead stats. Oh yeah, I delete the function, so you don't really need it. Let's make this variable for the data store. I mean, local data store equals service. Okay, I need to talk a bit quiet because someone's on the phone. But equals game colon get the service named data store. So what the service named data store is, data store service. I don't really know how to say but explain it, but it's fine. Anyways, let's make a service for the data store. So let's make the local data store equals to the data store service. So the data store service colon get data store. So get the data store name. You can name it anything. I like to name it same as the data store. It's optional, but you can do if you want. And now actually let's just get rid of multiply. Okay, let's make a variable for the player's ID. So local, you don't want to save it to the name, you want to save it to the ID because the ID never changes. So let's write local player's ID equals to dot. Okay, actually that make a string named underscore put player ID. You can write anything you want, but I like to do that because it just looks neat. And let's concatenate by writing players dot use ID. So if we print this, you can write print players ID. So if we go to it, it'll print underscore player ID, whatever that is. Okay, so yeah. Actually no, we want to switch that around. Okay, let's switch that around like that. Okay, we can get rid of the print. And now let's write a local data. Don't write equal to anything. Just write local data. And let's write local success. So if success, then a comma, error message equals to pcal dot function so anonymous function, make it an anonymous function. Okay, like that. What I don't really know how to explain what success and error messages, or what error message is basically the error, what your error is in the message. And pcal is, you make sure you write pcal means like if there's an error, it will I don't really know how to explain it, but it will like the function to be called, it will be called in a protected mode. It'll be protected. Okay, so let's write not local data. So data equal to data store data store colon get async. So get that sync and name and get player's ID. So let's write if let's write if statement if success. So if it's successful and equal to true. If you just write if success, then it will be immediately be set to equal to true. So yeah. Anyways, let's write clicks click players. Actually, let's just get rid of the players stuff. So get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. That. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And get rid of that. Okay, let's write log clicks dot value equals to data. So the clicks, if it's successful, then the clicks dot value is going to be equal to the data. Dot clicks. You're going to understand why I put clicks there. So let's just copy and paste that. Name that to rebuffs, and name that to rebuffs. Name it to rebuffs. Okay. This is fine. It's such a multiplier. So multiply dot value equal to data dot multiplier. Okay, and that's end for this thing. You don't want to save the data when the player adds, or it'll just be weird. So let's write when the player removes. So when the player leaves the game, let's save the data. Let's write game dot players dot player removing, and it fires when the player is about to leave the game. Also says like context, like that. You can read the summary. It says there. Yeah. Okay. So player removing, you want to connect it to a function like that. Put the parentheses player. You can do anything you want, but I like to do player. But that's fine. Let's write. Actually, let's copy the local player's ID. Okay. Okay. Now let's make the data local data. Let's make the data equal to a table. Space, and let's write clicks equals to the player dot leader stars dot clicks. Okay, and let's write for rebus dot equals to player dot leader start, not leader stats dot rebuffs. Okay. Oh, what am I doing now? Oh, yeah, sorry. Make sure you put a comment there, or else it won't work. And it's like multi multi multiply okay, that's actually multiply. Oh, why am I more? Okay, multiplier equal to. Actually, wait, remember to put comma there. Multiply equal to the player dot multiply. Okay, so now that's it. Let's write same as this local success or whatever. Let's write local success comma error message equal to the pcal. So it will detect the function, not function but whatever I'm writing in it. So function that like that, and let's write data store. So set the async to the player's ID, send the async, and then the data. Also, one thing is oh yeah, right, value, or else you get error message, because I done it before and I got a message and forgot to do value. Okay, value. So now if we join the game, Okay, leave that. That it will always happen. It won't always happen, but it just normally do that. Don't know why it just do that, but okay. Okay, let's say I got 13 clicks. So actually no, also let's write if success, then print players. So you want to do this, or if you don't know your players data, you don't really know if you're saved in the output. So if successfully saved players data, and it's like else statement. So else print players on sus did not save players data successfully. Okay, and it's also warn with a message, with the error message. So that's what error message means. So basically, actually, the okay, what just happened? Like that. Okay, so now when I leave a game, it should do that. See, there's no errors. Oh yeah, it also saved, as you can see. So also, if I got error, um, so let's say she also said, was it? Successfully save the player's data. But if I didn't do that, like if I just done like what I done right now, remember what I done before? This, that, okay. Remember what I done? It will say 16, okay. Still, it'll say dead so cannot store dictionary UFI APS as a blah blah blah. And it also said did not save player's data successfully. Also paired with the error message. Cannot store dictionary, day store, okay, whatever that means. You always want to make sure you put value, or else you'll get error message like I did, like value. Oh wait, hold up. Dot value. Okay, that's the end of this video.